So in today's video, I'm going to teach you that how you can solve Lycamobile SIM card internet is not working in any Samsung device. So how you can solve this, I'm going to teach you in today's video step by step. So first of all, tap on the apps icon on your home screen, then click on settings. Now click on mobile networks and again tap on mobile networks. Now you can click on access point names, which is also known as APN. Now click on plus icon and choose new APN. Now here type the Lyca internet in the name section and then select the APN section and type data.lycamobile.co.uk. If you're living in United Kingdom, then it will be UK. If you're living in any other country, it will have their own country code. You can see on the screen and you can type according to your need. Then click OK and then select the username and type LMUK. Now here again, instead of UK, you need to type your own country code. You can see the list on the screen and then click OK. Now here select password and type plus and then click OK. Now here click on the option icon and press save. Now you can restart your Samsung device and your internet will start working. So my dear friends, this is all in this video. If this video helped you, make sure you click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Till then, peace out. Bye bye.